Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make VHS effect in CapCut. So if you also want to make VHS effect in CapCut, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open CapCut. After that, import the video in which you want to add the VHS effect. You can see over here, I have already imported it. So adding the VHS effect is very simple. Adding this effect can make your videos very aesthetic and vintage. So in order to add this effect, all you have to do is click on the effects option that you can see right over here. Simply click on the search bar. Now type in TV. Now here you'll be able to find several options. If you click on it, you'll be able to preview it. Find the effect that you like the best. I like this effect retro cam, so I'm just going to drag it over here. Adjust it according to your video size. According to the effect you select, you'll be able to see the options in special effects. In RetroCam, there is no special effects, but if you've selected other options, you can adjust the special effects if you want. Now you can see over here VHS effect has been added. To make it more vintage, what you can do is click on the search bar again. Now type in glitch. Now you'll be able to see several effects for glitch. Choose the effect that you like the best, drag it over here, adjust it according to the video size. Now it adds more vintage effect. You can play it if you want. So that is how you make VHS effect in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.